Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. Right now, we're in a project where we're renovating one of the bathrooms in our house. Reason is it's the summer in Arizona and it's wicked hot outside, so we moved to indoor projects. But today's video is about removing this large mirror. This is 7 feet long and 3.5 feet tall, and we need to take this down safely and efficiently. Purchased this carpet protection film. This came in 200-foot rolls at 24 inches in length or in width. And we're going to take this, we'll roll it along the top. We'll probably put two of these on there. It will stick to it. And when we do that, then we'll be using the hammer to break it up into much smaller pieces.
God, that was loud. I don't know how the best way to control the shards though if you take the plastic off. That's it. I guess I don't know my own strength.
couple of things that we've learned. We did watch a bunch of videos and then we chose our style, which was to put the cellophane on it. Then hit it with a hammer so it all goes to small pieces, but it stays together. So the thing that they didn't show you, and that we didn't really question it until now, was that they didn't show you peeling it off because it's still really dangerous and really sharp. The other part of that, when you're peeling it off, take your time and then cut with the blade in some of the areas where it folds over, and just take a couple of pieces at a time. The other thing is that we recommend just one person doing it. If you watch us, you'll see we have hands. People are like holding it up, or my wife was holding it up, and I was cutting it. I was getting close to her where her hands were with the blade, and we were moving a little bit too fast. We thought that that was dangerous too. So take your time peeling it off one piece or little pieces at a time. Make it manageable. Another tip is to have your vacuum ready. Now we have our countertop that we kept on here. The video we watched, they didn't have a countertop and they let it fall, we were assuming, into a box that was down below. But in this case, we have the countertop, so have your vacuum ready to get all of the little tiny pieces. We swept it up and we vacuumed it up. The third tip is that you'll see that this glue, it's pretty thick, that was on here. And we were kind of trying to be really careful with it and hoping it would come off really easy. We don't really care that the paper came off, and a couple of gouges with a screwdriver to pop some of the pieces off. But we wanted to take all of the black stuff off. Don't worry about it, just take it off, all those pieces. We were trying to finesse it at first. You don't need to do that either. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is Suburban DIY. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up or subscribe, write a comment. Tell us about how you're doing it, or if you like this video and how we can even improve it. Thanks for watching. For more home improvement videos, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.